everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to delete chats in Character.AI as of 2025. If you're looking to clear out old conversations or just tidy up your chat history, this guide will walk you through the process. So first, go ahead and log into your Character.AI account. Whether you're in a browser or using the app, make sure you're signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your previous chats on the main screen. This could be on the left sidebar or homepage, depending on the platform you're using. Scroll through your list of chats and you'll find the one you want to delete. Once you've found it, click on the chat to open it. On the chat page, look for the three dots, ellipses, or options menu located either at the top or side of the chat screen. From the options menu, click on the delete option. A confirmation box may pop up asking if you're sure about deleting the chat. Confirm that you want to delete the chat by clicking yes or confirm. The chat will be permanently removed from your chat history. After deleting, you may need to refresh the page or app to make sure the chat has been fully removed. You should no longer see the deleted conversation in your chat history. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.